What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Have you ever felt a fire in your belly, a longing for something more, a desire that keeps you awake at night, dreaming of possibilities? That, my friend, is the spark of your God-given power. It's a whisper from your soul, urging you to pursue your passions and live your truth. It's the potential within each of us to create, to love, to achieve amazing things. This spark is the essence of who we are, the core of our being. This power isn't about being superhuman or perfect. It's about embracing our humanity, our flaws, and our strengths. It's about embracing who you truly are and using your unique strengths to make a difference in the world. Each of us has a unique light, a distinct purpose. It's about recognizing that you have something special to offer, a gift that only you can give. So, nurture that spark within you, let it grow, and watch as it illuminates not just your path, but the paths of those around you. Think of a sunflower reaching for the sun, or a bird singing its heart out. Each one is expressing its God-given power in its own beautiful way. You too have a unique gift, a talent, a passion that sets your soul on fire. Maybe you're a gifted artist, a compassionate healer, or a natural-born leader. Whatever it is, it's there for a reason. Your God-given power is meant to be shared with the world. Don't be afraid to let your light shine. Now here's the thing about unlocking your God-given power. It all starts with belief. You have to believe in yourself and your abilities, even when things get tough. When doubts creep in, remind yourself that you are capable of amazing things. Surround yourself with positive people who lift you up and encourage your dreams. Remember, you are worthy, you are strong, and you are capable of creating the life you desire. Section 4, Igniting Your Power. So how do you actually activate this incredible power within you? It starts with understanding that this power is already within you, waiting to be unleashed. Here are a few simple yet powerful tips. First, positive thinking. Cultivate a mindset that focuses on possibilities rather than limitations. Our thoughts shape our reality. When you think positively, you attract positive outcomes and opportunities. Focus on the good, believe in yourself, and watch your confidence soar. Second, set goals. Clear, well-defined goals act as a roadmap to your success. Having clear goals gives you direction and purpose. It helps you stay motivated and on track, even when challenges arise. Break down your dreams into smaller, achievable steps. This makes your goals less overwhelming and more manageable. Third, mindfulness practice. Spend time in nature, meditate, or simply breathe deeply. These practices help you stay grounded and present. This helps you connect with your inner wisdom and find clarity. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you can truly ignite your inner power and live a more fulfilling, empowered life. Section 5, A Story of Blooming. I once met a woman named Sarah who had a passion for baking. She would spend hours in her cozy kitchen experimenting with different recipes and perfecting her craft. The aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries would fill her home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Sarah dreamed of opening her own bakery, a place where she could share her love for baking with the world. However, she was afraid to take the leap, worried about the risks and uncertainties that came with starting a business. She often found herself standing in front of bakery storefronts, imagining what it would be like to have her own. With a little encouragement from her friends and family, Sarah decided to start small. She began by baking for those close to her, sharing her delicious creations at gatherings and events. Her friends and family were her first customers, and they couldn't get enough of her baked goods. Word quickly spread about Sarah's incredible talent in the kitchen. People started requesting her baked goods for parties, celebrations, and even just to enjoy at home. With each new order, Sarah's confidence grew, and she began to believe in her dream more and more. Eventually, she took the plunge and opened her own bakery, a cozy little shop filled with the scent of freshly baked treats. Today, Sarah's Bakery is a beloved spot in her community. It's a place where people come together to enjoy delicious pastries and warm conversations. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of believing in yourself and taking action, no matter how daunting it may seem. Her story of blooming is an inspiration to us all, reminding us that with passion and perseverance, dreams can indeed come true. Section 6. Your journey begins now. Unlocking your God-given power is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but don't give up. Embrace your uniqueness, believe in yourself, and take small steps every day towards your dreams. The world is waiting for your special gift. It's time to shine.